Alright, just finished putting the front end back together. The whole front bumper and all the front end had to come off, maybe about 30 centimeters forward, so we had to strip everything down to do that. I just want to show you the one that was leaking. All that work just to replace this leaking pipe here. See this pipe? That pipe there is leaking from the corner there. It's cracked there. And then this pipe goes into this part here. So I replaced the pipe, new pipe, and a new pneumatic valve. This one here. So you see they're leaking as well. This is plastic. That's the whole reason why they leak. And the reason why this part here leak as well is the way they use the actual O-ring. See this O-ring here is like that, and look at the other side. Other side is like that. If that side there was the same as this side here, there will be no leaking whatsoever. But anyway, that's pretty much done. Brand new one. Everything's back together. So now I've just gotta do a coolant flush tomorrow. Fresh coolant inside, and double check it, make sure it's not leaking from all the parts that we took off. Okay, just want to show you what happened. So I took a picture of it. So we took the whole front bar off, all the actual airbag foam for the airbags, side impact on both sides, wheel arch and all that stuff took off so we can actually do the work. There you go. So once we pull the front bar, the front end forward 30 centimeters, we can actually put our hand, because we had to remove all this pipe off so we can do the work. So if you look closely there, now we can do the work. Then there's the pipe there on that corner there. I'll put a pin there. There's the pipe there in the corner, which is leaking into the plastic. So they're both leaking anyway, causing the corner leak. And we had to remove the pulley for the water pump out as well, so we can actually run the pipe behind it and then put a new one back on. Alright, so pretty much tomorrow, I'll put everything back together and then put some fresh coolant and start up, and then and go from there.